This is just one of the most beautiful squares I've ever seen.
Yeah, isn't it?
It's beautiful. The artwork, phenomenal. Honey, that we are here at the Grand Market in Brussels. And you know, in history, this was one of the biggest trading places for the Europeans. Every building in here has a different tradesman, and they used to come here and sell their goods and make lots of money.
But it's also the capital of Belgium, the capital of the new European nation, the capital of NATO. So,
and of course, the capital of the Belgian chocolate and the Belgian waffles.
but you know what I like?
What?
Number one for beer. Yeah.
Yeah.
There are more ambassadors and journalists in Brussels than even Washington, D.C.
And I think that they should make me an ambassador because they have so many things here that I really enjoy, and I think it's nothing but fair.
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
Oh, I would love it.
Say we are now in Amsterdam, guys.
We are.
But me have fun in Amsterdam? I don't think so.
Why not? Can find a check, huh? People go to Amsterdam because of the red district.
And the loose laws about
The loose laws of smoking joints and all.
Amsterdam is a beautiful place with all the little canals.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things to see for
You
tourists.
shouldn't go to Amsterdam just for those two reasons.
No, it has a lot to offer. It's a beautiful
absolutely.
city.
Yeah.
The canal we're in now, called Oude Schans or Old Trench, is another of the city's old defence canals. On the right is Hôtel de l'Europe. This is one of the city's finest hotels, and it belongs to Heineken, of the famous beer brand. The kitchen of this hotel is partially below water level. You see that each house has a furniture hook at the top of the gable. Since the doors and staircases of the houses in Amsterdam are very narrow, when we move, everything goes in and out through the window.
Köln, pronounced Cologne in English, and you know that Cologne is one of Germany's largest city and one of the oldest because it was founded in 38 DC.
Yeah, and here we are in front of the Kölner Dome, which is one of the world's and Germany's most extraordinary cathedrals. Construction started in the 1500s and still isn't finished, and that's one of the jokes in Germany today.
Yeah, but one thing that's finished in Germany is the Cologne 4711. It was brought in by an expatriate of Italy.
Yeah,
And
the Straßengasse without a doubt is Germany's smallest street, isn't
but
it?
it's the most beautiful one. It's like heaven.
The most popular one as well.
Well, you
and
can see.
anybody ever would come here for Christmas market. This town is alive.
Oh, I can see 1,000 things that I want.
I know, but you're not getting it.
Oh, this is a beautiful window. Oh, honey.
Look at those beautiful. Isn't that nice?
One thing is more nicer than the other.
I know.
Just love it if I could just take everything with me.
You can't take everything.
But isn't this street awesome?
Yeah. Wasser in ein goldener Wein wär. Ja, da möchte ich so gern ein Fischlein sein. Ach, da könnte ich so saufen, bräuchte keinen Wein zu kaufen. Wasser rein wird niemals leer. Prost! Beautiful wine glasses, no?
Are you going to let me go shopping finally, or what's going on?
Well, you have to spend my money again?
Yeah. Let's go, we have a boat to catch.
Are we gonna have wine?
Yeah. Yeah.
Feels like.
Oh, my blood is really sore now.